DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. They use advanced DGPS technology to accurately measure and map the land, providing essential data for various industries such as construction, engineering, and urban planning. With their expertise and knowledge of DGP systems, these surveyors ensure that the land is properly surveyed and recorded, allowing for efficient and accurate decision-making. Gurgaon Sector 44, being a rapidly developing area, requires the services of DGP surveyors to effectively manage its urban growth. With the increasing number of infrastructure projects and real estate developments in the area, accurate land surveys are essential for proper planning and development. DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44 provide precise measurements and mapping data that help architects, engineers, and planners design and construct buildings and infrastructure with accuracy and efficiency. The SCON Design in Gurgaon Sector 44 is a renowned institution that offers comprehensive training and education for aspiring DGP surveyors. The institute provides specialized courses on using DGP's technology for land surveying, ensuring that students gain the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in this field. With state-of-the-art equipment and experienced faculty, the SCON Design prepares students to become competent professionals in the field of DGP surveying. The SCON Design's curriculum focuses on both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Students learn about the principles of DGP's technology, including how to operate DGP's receivers and how to collect accurate data. They also gain hands-on experience in conducting surveys using DGP's equipment, allowing them to apply their learning in real-world scenarios. The institute's faculty consists of experienced professionals who have extensive knowledge of DGP surveying techniques and can provide valuable guidance and mentorship to students. In the realm of land surveying, Gurgaon Sector 44 DGP surveyors are essential. They precisely measure and map the terrain using cutting-edge DGP's technology, supplying vital information for a variety of businesses, including building, engineering, and urban planning. These surveyors make sure that the land is properly surveyed and recorded thanks to their experience and knowledge of DGP's technologies, enabling effective and precise decision-making. Due to its rapid development, Gurgaon Sector 44 needs the help of DGP surveyors to efficiently manage urban sprawl. Accurate land surveys are necessary for sound planning and development, especially with the growing number of infrastructure and real estate projects in the area. Architectural, engineering, and planning professionals can design and build structures and infrastructure with accuracy and efficiency thanks to the accurate measurements and mapping data provided by DGP surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44. A reputable organization that provides thorough training and education for aspirant DGP surveyors is the SCON Design in Gurgaon Sector 44. In order to give students the knowledge and abilities they need to succeed in this sector, the institute offers specific courses on using DGP's technology for land surveying. The SCON Design trains students to become skilled